Okay, we'll move on to the next experiment, that is calibration of triangular or V notch. So this is the table for the calibration of triangular V notch, and these are the observations and formulas. So we'll start with the table where first we will be taking the hook gauge reading. There will be two readings, that is initial reading and final reading. Initial reading for each and every serial number will be the same, and final reading keep changes. And this is the difference, x is nothing but it is the difference between final reading and initial reading. So moving to the next, it is the time for 10 centimeter water raise, which is denoted in t seconds. You will be taking the time of raise, that is 10 centimeter. H will take a rise of water, that is constant. This is h, that is 10 centimeter, and the time taken for the water to raise 10 centimeter, you will be taking it in t seconds. So next is Q actual, Q theoretical. Q actual is nothing but actual discharge. Q theoretical is a theoretical discharge. You will be finding out CD, that is coefficient of discharge. It is nothing but the ratio of Q actual by Q theoretical. So these are the observations and formulas where you will be finding out Q theoretical and Q actual. This is the standard formula to find out Q theoretical for V notch, that is 8 by 15 tan theta by 2 h to the power 5 by 2 root 2g, where theta is nothing but the angle of the V notch. This is the angle of the V notch, that is 60 degrees. Theta is 60 degrees, and h is the head of water, that is h is denoted by, h is a formula x into Sn by Sn minus 1, that is this is nothing but specific gravity of mercury, Sn is specific gravity of liquid. So Sm is equals to 13.6, it is a standard value, and Sl is 1.0. These both are the standard values. These won't change. So H is equals to 12.6 into X. That is, we will be substituting 13.6 here. 13.6 by 1 minus 1 will give you 12.6. So H is equals to 12.6 into X centimeter. And G is nothing but the gravity. That is, standard is 9.81 meter per second square, but here we all are in centimeters, so we will be taking in centimeters. That is, G is equals to 981 centimeters per second square. Next is Q actual. Q actual is given by the formula capital A into capital H by T. Capital A is nothing but the area of the collecting tank, that is 80 into 80. That gives you 6400 centimeter squares, and H is the rise in this centimeter. Time for 10 centimeter. This 10 centimeter is nothing but rise of water. By T is the time taken for the rise of 10 centimeter. Water rise for 10 centimeters.
This is experiment for first V notch and finding coefficient discharge through V notch or triangular notch. This is Hooke's gauge. Hooke's gauge means finding initial reading and final reading. Initial reading is taking for flow, before flow of V notch, and final reading overflow of V notch. Then same water going to the collecting tank. Collecting tank reading is taking. Then whenever we are taking reading, close the valve and rise of water is in collecting tank. Rise of water is collecting tank, and time is taken T is in second. And area of collecting tank is 80 centimeter by 80 centimeter. This is for Q actual finding. And Hooke's gauge reading is for taking Q theoretical, for Q theoretical and Q actual. So coefficient discharge through V naught. Here first, this wall is open and flow is going to the tank. And these 3 or 4 walls. This valve is called Buffel valve. Buffel valve for use steady of flow. Steady of flow. Right? The Hooke's gauge is inside in water, and the pointer is up and down कर सकते हैं. तो ये क्या है, बिफोर फ्लो होने से जो रीडिंग लेते हैं वो क्या है, इनिशियल रीडिंग ऑफ द Hooke's gauge. Hooke's gauge reading is in main scale and one is vernier scale. Main scale reading is in mm and vernier scale is in also mm. minus final reading, difference is h of the height of the head of the water flow.
So now we have to adjust the initial gauge to the final reading,
Top of surface water level.
and that will be the top of the surface level. Yeah, this is the final reading.
That is the final reading. Then water is flowed over to the V naught and it is collected to the collecting tank. How to take reading? First, close this wall.
Close the wall.
And water is dried out within collecting tank. Then we 10 centimeter rise of water, time taking T.
So now the initial reading is 20,
No, 10 to 20, 10 centimeter anywhere.
and for 10 centimeter we will be seeing
Time. ಬರಲಿ 15 ತನಕ 15 ತನಕ ಬರಲಿ 15-21 ತನಕ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Right, close, stop.
this is the capital H rising in water tank level, and this is the
Time.
T, small t, time
20,
seconds
20.
taken for the rise of 10 centimeter water level in the water tank.
And time is noted 24 seconds, 23 seconds. Then open it